Do the Terro insect fruit fly traps really work? Stick around and let's find out. The Terro fly trap is supposed to be up to a 90-day supply. Ours actually worked for about 6 weeks before it dried up. It's the #1 selling fruit fly trap. It's fast acting, ready to use, non-stunning lure. There's 2 traps in the package that I purchased. Shows they're safe to sit around food. Common use areas. Traps are most effective when placed near breeding sites, placed behind or under kitchen counters, sinks, dishwashers, food, near fruits and vegetables, and any other location where the fruit is stored. We actually set ours in the corners of 2 kitchen counters. The way it works is designed to lure adult fruit flies using the specific food-based liquid lure. Flies that enter the trap can escape to continue breeding. Place the trap upright on a solid surface, remove the cap from the lure bottle, insert the lure bottle tip into the center hole of the trap, empty half of the bottle into each trap, place the trap in the areas that we discussed, discard the traps after 45 days of use. So the 90-day supply is for both of them. If you use them both at the same time, it's 45 days as we did ours. Here's the manufacturer's information. Have the liquid lure. The 2 cute little traps. So they're empty. A little tricky to pop off. And pour the lure in the bottom. It's kind of hard for me to get a hold of these because they're round. You probably have better fine motor skills and probably know a better way to get these open than I do. Like a little ledge or something to grab onto. Oh, you know what? Squeeze the bottom part and the top pops off. Learned something. We had both of them opened. Open our lure. What happened to that one? I forgot on the other one, but I'm going to put the date on the bottom before I put the lure in. Check in the text below this video and also in the pinned comment. I'll provide a link where you can buy this product or one similar. I'm just going to put it on the top of this one. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link for your shopping. Thank you so very much. It smells like vinegar, and I have heard people say that you can use apple cider vinegar. And that is true. We did set out bowls and glasses of apple cider vinegar, and flies did come in there. However, we had a lot of flies crawling around the edge of the glass or the bowl who did not go in the vinegar. So it attracted those flies, but it didn't trap them or kill them. So I think this little design is going to do a little bit better about luring them in. Maybe it makes them curious. Top on, and we are good to go. Check in 45 days. Do they work? Yes, they do. Can you see those dead flies down in there? I put the date on here, but I put the wrong date on here. It's supposed to be June 1st. But can you see like all those dead flies down in there? And the whatever juice in there has dried up, but no flies in the house. All the dead flies are in the bottom of a little apple, as they should be. Look at that one. I don't know how he even got in there. But he did. He either was small when he got in there and grew before he died, but dead flies contained. Dead flies, easy to throw away. Can't beat it. Thanks for watching my video about the Terro insect fly traps. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to subscribe to my channel or playlist. It's free to share this video, appropriate. Remember to check in the text below and in the pinned comment, and I'll provide a link on how you can purchase these for yourself or something similar. It helps me out a little bit if you do that. And if you have time before you go, watch another video. And until we meet again, let's just help each other keep solving problems. Thank you. Bye.